Raise your hands, those who are in class 10 or 9.
The night.
Good. So children, were you present in my last class?
Yes, sir.
Sir, commentary, sir.
Yes, uses I was teaching you, no?
Yes, sir. Uses.
Uses
Four
of
rules.
simple.
Four rules.
Two
Four
rules
rules.
I gave you. Which are those 2 rules? Can you recall them? वो दो रूल्स मैंने कौन कौन से बताए थे बेटा?
सर 4 rules.
4 रूल बताए थे. कौन कौन से बताए थे?
सर आपने 4 रूल बताए थे.
गुड. वो 4 रूल कौन कौन से मैंने बता दिए थे?
सर सिंपल, इंडेफिनिट, कंटीन्यूअस.
No, not that one. Not that one. Uses. I'm talking about uses of simple present tense. It is used for general truth, universal actions. I gave you, no? Suppose the sun rises in the east. This is an universal truth. Okay. Second rule I gave you, which one?
Schedule action.
For scheduled action. Okay, suppose the Shramjeevi Express leaves Bihar Sharif, okay, at 8:30 a.m. This is a scheduled action. So we write it in simple present tense. Now we come to present continuous. Now we are starting with present continuous. Dear children, continuous, the word continuous it shows some action going on at the time of speaking. Some action going on at the time of speaking. कहने के समय जो काम चल रहा होता है उसे हम लोग प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में रखते हैं. ठीक है ना? सपोज मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, कहने के समय ये काम हो रहा है, पढ़ाने का एक्शन जो है वो काम चल रहा है ना? हम लोग टेंसेस पढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक है ना? इट मीन्स कहने के समय वो काम चल रहा है. बच्चा मैदान में खेल रहा है. Action is going on at the time of speaking. Okay. The minister is delivering a lecture on the stage. It means the action. What is the action here? Delivering. Okay. It is going on at the time of speaking. Clear है? अब यहाँ बेटा आ जाओ, मैं बताता हूँ. Recognition.
सर मुझे एक और एग्जांपल आता है.
हाँ बेटा, अभी हम लोग एग्जाम्पल की चर्चा करेंगे. It refers to a continued action in present. प्रेजेंट में कोई एक्शन जो वो कॉन्टिन्यूसली चल रहा है कहने के समय, वैसे टेंसेस को हम लोग कौन सा टेंस कहेंगे? प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. यस. कैन यू रिकॉल चिल्ड्रन द स्ट्रक्चर रूल फॉर दिस? कोई बच्चा इसके स्ट्रक्चर रूल को रिकॉल कर सकता है? याद है किसी को?
यस सर.
यस, टेल मी.
सब्जेक्ट प्लस M oblique is oblique R plus. M oblique is oblique R plus.
Yes. What is these, children? These all are helping verbs. These are helping verbs. M is R. These are called helping verbs. So subject plus helping verb. Then after main verb, which form? Which form is used?
Main verb.
Oh, not main form. Fourth
before.
form. Always.
Sir, before.
Fourth form. Before. Main B, fourth form is used. After that, object is placed, and then after is if there is any other word. Example: Saloni is cooking in the kitchen. Cooking food in the kitchen. Okay, children, look at this. Saloni. What is Saloni? It is singular subject. So we have added is. No problem. Cooking. Third, fourth form is used. Okay. Second example. Who is going to put second example? Second example कौन बच्चा बता रहा है?
I am going to school.
I am going to school. Right. I am
Sir, we are dancing.
going to school.
I am sleeping.
We are
Sir,
dancing.
I am dancing. The baby is crying. Sir, we are.
Who gave this example? The baby is crying.
Teacher is shouting.
The teacher is
Shouting.
teaching, not touting, beta. Teaching.
हाँ sir. Teaching, sir. Teaching.
The teacher is teaching.
Teaching.
Sir, मैंने दिया है.
Who gave this example? The baby is crying.
Sir,
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Very well. Very good. But look at these sentences, children. These are very simple sentences. These are very simple sentences. Now, 9 and 10 students of class 9 and 10, they will put examples. Object plus other words also. Class 9, 10 children, put examples using other words. Suppose the magician is playing magic before the audience.
cricket in the morning.
We are
Sir, we are.
playing a football match.
He is cooking dinner for his family.
He is cooking dinner for his family. Nice. He
My mother is cooking food.
She is
cooking
doing
food
adventure.
for his family.
Adventure.
Next. So, present continuous. Any doubt, children, in structure and recognition? Present continuous shows an action going on at the time of speaking. Okay. Second, structure rule. Subject plus helping verb am is are plus main verb fourth form plus object plus other words. Examples we have gone through. हम लोगों ने examples भी देखे. Any doubt here?
No, sir. Sir, I know. We do not rub this. The children
Okay.
by seeing the dance of ballerina.
Right. Excellent example you have given. Very good. Note down fastly. Then after
Sir.
I will.
Sir, after 6, 8. Sir, I am doing adventure or I am doing paragliding.
Yes. Do you like adventures?
Yes, sir.
What type of adventures you like?
Sir, like rocket bungee or the scary adventures, the dangerous.
Oh, nice. But be careful.
Yes, sir, I like the flying.
Right. Now, can I rub this?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's sent on the group.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Note down. First use I have already written here.
It's a
Second
group
rule now
में
I will tell you.
Done, sir.
Sir, can you send in a group in the group?
Yes, 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 it will be sent.
एक मिनट सर रुक जाइए सर
Don't bother, it will be sent. Now, second use. Now I'm going to tell you second use.
the rule
Yes,
rule.
it is used for a future action. It is used for a planned.
सर आपने नहीं भेजा ग्रुप में
नहीं भेजा?
नहीं
तो आपने
अच्छा
लिखा
ठीक है
होगा
बाबू,
ना
राइट डाउन
बेटा?
कीजिए, बाद में भेज दिया जाएगा।
It is used for a planned or scheduled action that will take
Sir, can I write this? Sir, can I tell one example?
Wait a second, beta.
Can I write this?
No, wait. Look at this. Second rule, second use, not rule. It is uses. First use, I have already written. Present continuous is used for a continued action in present. Now, second use. It is used for a planned or scheduled action that will occur in near future. आने वाला जो समय है, future में वो action होगा, वो काम होगा. What if it is already a plan, fixed? अगर कोई fixed plan हो, ठीक है ना? That will take place in near future. For such an action, we use present continuous tense. वैसे
Future continuous tense.
हाँ बेटा, फ्यूचर वो बात की बात करेंगे, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस. सपोज कोई फ्यूचर का एक्शन होने वाला है, कोई फ्यूचर में काम होने वाली है, ठीक है ना? लेकिन वो तय है, फिक्स्ड है, निश्चित है, ठीक है ना? तो वैसे सेंटेंसेस को हम लोग प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में लिखते हैं, ठीक है ना? जैसे एग्जांपल में आप देखो बेटा, द चीफ मिनिस्टर इज कमिंग टू नालंदा नेक्स्ट मंडे. नेक्स्ट मंडे, ये क्या है बेटा? फ्यूचर में, फ्यूचर टाइम को बोध कर रहा है. ये फ्यूचर टाइम को बता रहा है. नेक्स्ट मंडे फ्यूचर टाइम को बता रहा है. हेलो लिसन, द वर्ड नेक्स्ट मंडे इट शोज फ्यूचर टाइम, है ना? बट दिस इज अ फिक्स्ड प्रोग्राम. दिस इज अ फिक्स्ड प्रोग्राम. ये फिक्स्ड प्रोग्राम होने के कारण हम लोग इसे किस में लिख रहे हैं? प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल फ्यूचर. सिंपल फ्यूचर में न लिख करके हम लोग इसे किस में लिख रहे हैं? प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में. क्यों? क्योंकि ये एक फिक्स्ड प्लान्ड एक्शन है, ठीक है? सेकंड एग्जांपल में अब आप समझो. इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम, इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम is leaving for Sri Lanka store on 30th July. आज कौन सा डेट है बेटा?
21।
21/7
है।
सर कल ही मेरा एग्जाम भी है।
ठीक है 21, ठीक है ना? और यहाँ डेट कब?
27 को है तो 30 को क्यों
Okay.
निकलेगी?
हाँ, यहाँ देखो बेटा, मैं ऐसे एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ बेटा, ठीक है ना? आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग एग्जाम्पल। तो बेटा ये 30 जुलाई क्या है? फ्यूचर टाइम को इंडिकेट कर रहा है क्या नहीं?
यस सर।
फ्यूचर टाइम को इंडिकेट कर रहा, बट ये शेड्यूल्ड एक्शन है, एक प्लान्ड एक्शन है, इसलिए हम लोग कौन सा टेंस यूज कर रहे हैं? प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस का, है ना? लास्ट एग्जाम्पल, द बस runs for Bangalore
सर
on
आपने टीम गलत लिख दिया, इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम।
सर यस सर, TA होगा वहाँ।
सर इंडियन नेशनल क्रिकेट टीम।
TEAM बेटा, हाँ?
Sir, I can tell one more example.
Future action, okay, tell me one example.
Sir, I am very excited because I am going to my grandmother's house tomorrow.
Oh, good. It is also a planned action. Nice. और कोई बच्चा देना चाहता है? Any other child who want to put any example?
Sir, I know one more example also. I am getting
Tell me.
ready for because I am going to park today.
Oh, nice. Note down fastly. Note down fastly.
Sir, done.
Let others also.
Sir, Bangalore. You will write 4 number also.
Yeah. No need. No.
Sir, can you screen share?
Yes, बेटे।
सर मुझे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स आते हैं।
तो चलो बताओ आप फटाफट से।
Sir, can I say? Sir, my grandfather and grandmother are coming next week to visit
Oh,
Ishwar. Sir,
to visit.
sir, my family is going Manali next week.
Oh, nice. एकदम बिल्कुल सूट करता, बिल्कुल। Can I rub this?
सर मैं भी एक एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूँ।
Okay, बेटे, put it.
The train runs from Kashmir on Monday.
This is in present, simple present. This sentence is in simple present, not continuous.
I am going Sri Lanka after 2 days.
Okay, this can be a planned action. Now next, present perfect tense, children, huh? All of you will note down fastly as I am writing, huh? Then I shall make you understand.
सेजल बाबू वीडियो ऑन कीजिए, मनु ऑन करो जी, ए रोशनी बोली ऑन कीजिए, कृतिका बाबू बिट्टू ऑन करो, बंद करके गुनगुन बोली, ए निधि ऑन करो जी, लव से तो ऑन कीजिए।
Now we are studying present perfect tense. In our last class, children, I had told you about the meaning of the word perfect. What does this refer to? ये किसको refer करता है?
सर एक्शन कंप्लीटेड फिनिश।
Very good. Action done, completed or
Completed.
finished. Good one. It means it denotes a completed action. It denotes note down with me.
रोशनी, ये रोशनी बोली ऑन करो ना बाबू। अदिति बाबू ऑन कीजिए। ये सब शैतान वीडियो बंद करके बाबू खाली।
Sir, what he has written there, reco.
Yeah,
First,
beta. Recog. It means recognition. How to recognize, how to identify.
sir, what does S point R means?
Where, beta?
Down
Which
the-
word?
Sir, S
Beta.
point R point.
Yes, SR. It means beta structure rule.
Structure.
It is a structure rule. It means how to frame sentences of present perfect tense. Clear?
Sir, okay, sir.
Okay, beta.
Slide, please. Sir, I have example.
Put any. Yes, if you have.
I have played.
I have.
We have to
We
go
played
park in the
cricket.
morning.
I have played cricket.
Sir, I had drink milk yesterday. We have to
I-
go park in the evening.
My school is
We
very
have-
beautiful. My school has
No.
very beautiful.
No, this is not.
We have to go park in the evening. I have come from Manali for 2 days.
Okay.
Our school has competition on 15 August.
Hmm.
Sir, it's real. My school has competition tomorrow.
Hmm.
I have planted some plants in my garden.
Later on, I shall come to you. Please wait. Now, look at this, children. It denotes an action or completed or finished action in recent present. Present perfect denotes an action or completed or finished action in recent present. अभी अभी present में वो काम समाप्त हुआ है या पूरा हुआ है. Suppose I have taken tea. मैंने चाय पी ली है. मैंने चाय पी ली है. चाय पीने का एक्शन जो है वो पूरा हो चुका है. ठीक है ना? Second example, you have lost your wallet. आपने अपना बटुआ खो दी है. It means the action shows. यहाँ lost action किसको show कर रहा है? Finished the action को, है
Yes,
ना?
sir.
Okay, I have played cricket. I have played cricket. Played. Have played. This shows a complete action. Fourth example, we have composed a poem. Here, have composed. This shows that the action of writing of the poem has already been completed, finished. Any doubt?
Sir, I have played game.
I have played game. Good example. Another one. दूसरा बच्चा.
I have done this homework.
I have done this homework.
I have gone to this place. I have gone Hyderabad.
I have gone to Hyderabad. Nice example. Now
My
change your
mother has
subject.
gone to market. My mother has gone to
Good.
market.
Nice.
Sir, our school has competition.
Our school has a competition, but this is not, it doesn't show any action completed.
India has won the match.
India has won the match. This is an example, right? Next one.
I have visited Gateway of India yesterday.
Nice.
Yes, I have done this homework बहुत सही है.
So is there any doubt, children, in perfect?
No.
Is there any doubt?
Sir, I have done this work.
I
Yes,
have
sir.
done this work. It means doing
Sir, I-
of action has been completed. Very good. Next,
Yes,
come on. Now, can I rub this? Do you want to note?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Noted all.
Sir, I has written.
I के साथ बेटा have लगता है, has नहीं. Okay.
Sir, I के साथ
I
am भी
have
लगता है.
written time.
I के साथ have भी use होता है बेटा.
Yesterday.
Yes. All of you
I
got
have
this?
Yesterday.
सभी को ये समझ आ गई?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोई confusion बच्चों?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, we are going to study about present perfect continuous. अब बेटा गौर करो, इसमें perfect भी है और continuous भी है ना?
Time.
इसको थोड़ा सा अच्छे से देखना और समझना है बेटा, ठीक है? Now, present perfect continuous. गौर करो बच्चों, यहाँ परफेक्ट भी है और कॉन्टिन्यूस भी है ना?
Yes, sir.
यस, तो थोड़े होशियार रहने की जरूरत है. ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज इट्स रिकॉग्निशन.
Sir, I have been taken tea. Sir, definition मतलब definition. Sir, I have been taken tea.
जस्ट अ मिनट बेटा.
died.
राइट डाउन कीजिए बाबू आप लोग, सर राइट डाउन कर रहे हैं तो लिखते चलिए साथ साथ।
सर began started began के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
began in earlier past.
Sir, I have been taken tea. Sir, I have been taken tea.
Okay.
Sir, Riya has eaten her breakfast.
No beta.
सर for since के बाद क्या लिखे हैं? Time.
Time है बेटा, 4 since plus time.
Sir, Riya has been taken her breakfast.
That is an example of present
Sir,
perfect
I have been
beta.
taken tea. Sir, I have been taken tea since
No,
8 a.m.
I will dictate. I will dictate. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I am going to market since Monday.
Yes.
Sir, I have been reading book for 1 hour.
Yes.
It has been raining all day. I have been writing my notes since 9 a.m. 9 p.m. It is very cloudy since yesterday. It is been cloudy.
Now children, drop your pens. थोड़ा समझते हैं बेटा, हाँ? अब हम लोग प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है बेटा? अब इसमें प्रेजेंट में देखते हैं परफेक्ट भी है और कॉन्टिन्यूस भी है, ठीक है ना? अब ऐसा है तो कोई बात नहीं, घबराने की बात नहीं। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में क्या हुआ? एक्शन वही समाप्त हो गया, ठीक है ना? रिसेंट प्रेजेंट में, बट उसमें कोई टाइम ड्यूरेशन नहीं होता है, ठीक है? लेकिन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में जो है बेटा, वो टाइम ड्यूरेशन होता है। क्या होता है? टाइम ड्यूरेशन। टाइम ड्यूरेशन कहने का मतलब हो गया बेटा 2 घंटे से, कई दिनों से, कई महीनों से, ठीक है ना?
जनवरी से
कई वर्षों से। गुड मॉर्निंग।
हाँ।
कई वर्षों से, ठीक है ना? और फिर और टाइम को कौन बताता है? 5 वर्षों से, ठीक है ना? सोमवार से, 1947 से, ठीक है ना? लास्ट मंडे से, सुबह के 6 बजे से। तो ये सभी क्या है? टाइम पीरियड को इंडिकेट करता है, ठीक है ना। अब आप यहाँ गौर करो बेटा, इट डेनोट्स एन एक्शन स्टार्टेड और बिगैन इन द अर्लियर पास्ट एंड इज कंटिन्यूड। इसमें क्या होता है बेटा, कोई एक्शन, कोई काम जो है वो पास्ट में शुरू होता है और कहने के समय तक भी वो काम लगातार चलता रहता है। सपोज अगर मैंने एग्जाम्पल में लिखा है, आई हैव बीन टीचिंग इंग्लिश सिंस 1997, मैंने इंग्लिश कब पढ़ाना शुरू किया था?
1997.
1997. Really, sir?
in the past.
Sir, it's truth.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, तो ये पास्ट में मैंने स्टार्ट किया था बेटा, है ना, और अभी तक ये काम लगातार जारी है, ठीक है ना। Such actions are called or classified in present perfect continuous tense that shows some sort of time duration. Okay, जिसमें टाइम ड्यूरेशन का पता चले वो परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस का है। सेकंड एग्जांपल, you have been playing for 3 hours. 3 hours ये क्या है बेटा, देखो टाइम को कौन इंडिकेट कर रहा है? 3 hours, 1997, 7 AM, होल डे, ये सभी किसको इंडिकेट कर रहा है बेटा? टाइम ड्यूरेशन को। किसको इंडिकेट करता है? टाइम ड्यूरेशन को, ठीक है ना। अब मैं एक चीज और बता दूं बेटा, यूज ऑफ फोर और सिंस। कितने बच्चों को पता है यूज ऑफ फोर और सिंस?
I know since only.
You know
I know,
since
sir.
only. Okay.
I know, sir. I
तो
know.
मैं यहाँ पे बता दूं बेटा, for is used for period of time.
Time. Yes, sir.
Period of time. किसके लिए? Period
Period of-
of time. यानी कि रहे 2 दिनों से, कई घंटों
तीन-
से, 10 घंटों से, है ना, 2 वर्षों से, है ना। तो ये सभी क्या होता है? पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। जब कोई डेफिनेट टाइम नहीं हो तो हम लोग फॉर लगाएंगे, और जब डेफिनेट टाइम हो तो हम लोग सिंस लगाएंगे। ओके,
Yes.
सिंस।
Sir, can you tell one example?
No.
जस्ट अ मिनट बेटा, पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, सिंस इज यूज्ड फॉर
Sir,
पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम।
You are using my money since yesterday.
Sir, I have been
Yesterday, yes.
since 7 AM.
You are
Repeat once.
using my notebook and money since yesterday.
My mother is
Okay.
asleep. Sir, I have been studying since 7 AM.
No, I have finished my task since 7 AM.
Sir,
This will be right.
I have been studying.
I am reading for 2 hours. I am reading for 2 hours.
Not am reading, it is wrong to say. Who is saying
Sir.
this?
Sir,
I
Sir.
sir, गलत है. Sir, wrong.
Yes.
I have
तो-
been.
Yes,
sir,
I have been.
my mother has been in the kitchen for a long time.
Oh, good, super, बहुत अच्छे, very well,
Her,
बहुत अच्छे.
her father died since 2 years. And he is in hospital.
यहाँ since बेटा सही नहीं है, for 2 years. Okay, not since.
They have been working as doctors for 2 years.
Right,
I have-
this is superb
Sir.
example.
Sir, I have been studying since 7 AM.
Right, quite right, बिल्कुल सही हो.
I am reading book. I have been reading book till my mother's
Till my mother
told to stop.
No, this
For
is
2 hours.
wrong. This
For
has
2
gone
hours.
wrong. For
For
2
2
hours. For 2 hours. Okay. So is there any confusion बेटे? कोई confusion नहीं यहाँ?
Sir, I have been playing from 2 hours.
From not for
Sir,
2 hours.
4.
2 hours. Good.
My friend has been played 3 hours.
Not played.
So playing, sir, playing.
Yes,
Playing.
my friend has been playing
Playing 2 hours. 2 hours.
for 2 hours.
For 2 hours.
ज्योति
Firoz
बाबू
has
2 hours.
Playing the tournament for 2 hours.
sir been
Good.
reading the book for 2 hours.
Yes. Now come to the last one. Last for the day. क्या कोई प्रॉब्लम है बच्चों?
No, sir.
तो आगे बढ़े बेटा.
Yes, sir.
नोट कर लिया आप लोगों ने नोट कर लिया तो
No, sir. Not करना.
ओके जल्दी से नोट कर लो बेटा फिर मैं सिंपल पास्ट बता दूं आज. नोट डाउन फास्टली.
सर सिंपल पास में वर्ब 1 का यूज होता है ना.
वर्ब 2 बेटा नॉट वर्ब 1.
हाँ. वर्ब 1.
Sir, I have been not
वर्ब 1
Did का
वर्ब 1
did use did.
2 years.
हाँ did is used as helping verb बट B1 का यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट में होता है बेटा.
हाँ. verb 2 B2.
B2
ज्योति
is
बाबू
used
वीडियो
in
ऑन कीजिए
simple
ज्योति.
past.
Firoz has been working as a doctor for 2 years.
ये ज्योति वीडियो ऑन कीजिए.
इसने इतना शानदार एग्जाम्पल पुट किया.
For 2 years.
ओके
सो गई ज्योति. नहीं लिख रही जी ज्योति बाबू.
That is an example that I have been teaching
sir.
economics and SST since 1671.
Right.
but it is wrong. How can you teach for a long time? You are just a child.
Did.
She has been watching a movie since morning.
Okay. Now can I rub? मिटा दूं अभी से?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the child is playing from 2 hours.
Okay, very good. The child is playing for 2. The child has been playing beta.
Sir,
Playing for
I have been driving for 2 hours.
oh nice.
नहीं होगा सर.
अब बेटा हम लोग कौन सा पढ़ने जा रहे हैं? सिंपल पास्ट. अब हम लोग कौन सा स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं? सिंपल पास्ट. क्या बता दूं बेटा?
सर आप वो फॉर और सिंस मिटा दीजिए उधर का.
Oh yes.
Sir,
फॉर और सिंस के यूज में कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
no, sir.
ओके.
सर मैंने लिख लिया है उसको भी.
नाउ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. होमवर्क दूंगा बेटा दूंगा. वेट.
Sir,
सर
मुझे
जब मिनट्स बचे रहे तब होमवर्क दे दीजिएगा.
ओके.
टाइम तो बचा ही है 10 मिनट.
ये बहुत सिंपल है बेटा. आपको ज्यादा परेशान नहीं करेगा. ठीक है.
Sir, she was reached at home.
Was नहीं बेटा, she reached home on
Sir.
time.
प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस मतलब पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में आता रही थी
क्या होगा बेटा?
Prime Minister visited
प्रेजेंट पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस
Sir, we were visited.
I picked up at 5 o'clock. I waked at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Sir, we were visited Puri at yesterday.
Yes.
She died.
Yes, I will come to you. Now, beta, simple past. Now we have moved towards simple past. Clear it is?
Yes, sir.
Simple past, its
Yes.
recognition, identification is children. It shows a complete action. It shows a complete action. It shows a complete action in past. Complete action in past. Look at example. We won the match. We won the match. Here, won. What is this? This is verb. Action verb, and this shows about some action completed in the past. ठीक है ना? She killed a tiger. Killed. Invited. Reached. Left. These all action words tells us about a complete action. Okay, an action that was completed in the past. वो एक्शन जो पास्ट में कंप्लीट हो चुका है, वैसे एक्शंस को हम लोग सिंपल पास्ट में रखते हैं बेटा. ठीक है ना?
Kishan ran this race.
Yes, look at the example. Sorry, yes, sir. Look at the structure rule, children. Subject is placed first, after that main verb to, then after object and followed by other words. ध्यान रखना बेटा, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि आउट ऑफ 12 टेंसेस, ये 12 टेंसेस जो है, इन 12 टेंसों में से ओनली 2 टेंसेस आर देयर जिसके कि अफर्मेटिव के स्ट्रक्चर रूल में किसी हेल्पिंग वर्ब का यूज नहीं होता है. वो दो कौन कौन से टेंसेस हैं बेटा? सिंपल प्रेजेंट एंड सिंपल पास्ट. ओके, तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट में हम लोगों ने कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज किया था? डू और डज. ठीक है ना? और पास्ट, सिंपल पास्ट में बेटा डिड इज यूज्ड एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. नोट, डिड इज यूज्ड एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. डिड इज यूज्ड एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. अब बेटा इसको चेंज करेंगे हम लोग इंट्रोगेटिव में. फटाफट से अब चेंज करेंगे. अलग, हु विल चेंज दिस? We won the match yesterday. Change this into
Did we won the match? Did we won the match?
No, it is wrong.
Did we win the match?
Did we win the match?
Win the match.
हाँ, आपको याद रखना होगा बेटा, डू डैश या डिड का जब भी यूज होता है तो उसके साथ भी वन का यूज होता है. ये बात हमेशा याद रखना होगा. डू डज और डिड का यूज जब भी होगा तो उसके बाद वर्ब वन यूज में आएगा. सेकंड, she killed a tiger. Change it into negative.
Do she kill the, sir, excuse me, sir. Do
Yes.
Kishan ran this.
No. Listen, बेटे.
Did she kill the tiger?
I am not asking you. Better change this into negative.
She
Did
didn't kill a
did
tiger.
she kill the did she not kill a tiger?
No, bete, that is
He
interrogative
doesn't
negative.
kill a tiger.
Interrogative
Why
plus
is it
negative.
negative?
She does not.
Did she not kill the tiger?
बेटा that is
She didn't kill a
interrogative
tiger.
negative. वो interrogative negative हो गया और
She
मैं
did-
सिर्फ आपसे negative पूछ रहा हूँ.
Negative.
Kill a
हाँ,
tiger.
सिर्फ negative.
Did
She
she
didn't
not
kill a
kill a
tiger.
tiger? Sir, she did not kill a tiger.
हाँ,
Not kill a
she
tiger.
did not kill a
She
tiger.
doesn't
Good.
kill a tiger. Sir, she
Now,
doesn't kill a tiger.
Not killed a
does
tiger.
not no. Who says she doesn't kill a tiger? It is wrong. यहाँ
Did
बेटा
he
simple
done
past की बात हो
work?
रही है.
Did he done his task?
Sir,
Yes.
she did not
Not
kill.
in.
Wait a second.
Did she
Did
not
she
reach
reach-
name
Did she
home on
not
time?
come on time?
Okay. Change this into last one into interrogative. They
Did
left
they
home in the
left-
morning.
They did not
They
left
did
home in the
not
morning.
left the home in morning.
Very well. Any doubt here?
No, sir. Sir, it's a
Clear,
DIY
clear.
time now. Homework time. The DIY
Okay.
time.
Okay. Note down. अगर note करना तो note कर लो बेटा जल्दी से.
Done, sir. Done,
Homework
sir.
कर-
Done.
Homework I am
Done.
writing here. यहाँ मैं homework लिख रहा हूँ बेटे. All of you will note
Sir, हो
down.
गया.
Sir, the tiger did not kill the rabbit to eat.
Oh, good, good, intelligent. Write 5 sentences of each.
Sir, simple past, simple present, simple future like this.
Yes, बेटे मैंने आपको सिंपल पास्ट तक पढ़ा दिया है ना.
Yes, sir.
आप सभी के बच्चा सभी का स्ट्रक्चर रूल और 5 एग्जांपल्स लिख करके आप मेरे नंबर पे सेंड करेंगे. ओके.
Okay, sir.
फाइन
तो जो
चिल्ड्रन.
आप-
हैव अ नाइस.
Bye, sir.
सर जो आप पढ़ाए हैं उसका ना.
यस सर.
Yes.
ओके.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye. Thank you, class. See you on next
Have a nice day,
Sunday.
sir.
Same to you
Have a
all.
nice day,
Same to
sir.
you all. Bye,
Bye,
children.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Oh my god. Sir, बैठ से मेरा पूरा 2 घंटे से पैर दुखने लगा.